Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a full English vegan style. Alright, so before we get into any kind of cooking we need to get our ingredients. So I've got this really nice vegan bacon from Tesco's, probably about like £3, so it's not, it's not expensive, but it's affordable. And then next up we've got the meat-free Richmond sausages. These are the pack of 8. It's a lot cheaper than the pack of 6 that you get in just like the regular plant-based section. So definitely look out for these in the frozen section of Tesco's. Pretty sure they've got them in Asda's and other places as well. Now onto your tofu. This stuff is the bread and butter of any kind of vegan meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner. Put it in a frying pan, season it, maybe put some sauces in it, put it on pizzas as well, so definitely get this. So now we've got our potatoes. We don't have any hash browns, but apparently it's normal to have potatoes on a...
Diced up potatoes, yeah.
Oh, I've never had one.
Yes, you have.
Don't remember. And also we've got some mushrooms. It doesn't really matter what kind of mushrooms you get. Normally I quite like to have the bell mushrooms on there, but Jam's insisting that we get the baby butter mushrooms, but still it doesn't matter. So before we start cooking anything else, putting anything else in the ovens or whacking them in frying pans, we're just getting these potatoes going so then we can whack them in the oven and they'll be like a really nice, soft, kind of crispy, fluffy, three things.
So when they come out of there, they'll be fluffy.
Yeah.
And then we'll chuck them in the oven, and they'll sort of like go a bit like crispy and basically like a little bit like roast potatoes, sort of.
And I'm just going to season the potatoes just before we put them in the oven, so they come out really nice and really flavourable.
They've got to be really fluffy.
What are you doing?
Giving it a shake.
A pancake. Right, so basically we've got a tofu, and this is what we're going to be using to make our no egg scrambled tofu. It's going to be great. Wax and turmeric on it. It's going to taste really eggy. So basically what we're going to do is just going to get the whole thing out. Don't worry about any like access, like liquid or anything. Just break it down.
Excess.
That's what I meant, excess. Good thing I've got her here. Basically, coming closer, get it in. You can see what it's going to turn into. As you can see, it's got sort of like scrambled egg properties when you like scrunch it all up. Cool. So this is basically what it ends up looking like. Like an idiot, I didn't film the tofu, but basically what you do is once you get it into a bowl, whack it into the frying pan, add your veggies, put some seasoning like salt, pepper, and then like 4 sprinkles of turmeric, and it gives it the nice eggy like sort of flavour, and it's really good. And just keep mixing it, and then when you think it's done, it's done. And then tomatoes, this you just throw that into the pan. This is that bacon stuff that's cool, it's pretty good. Richmond sausages, they're pretty much self-explanatory, don't need to show you how to do that. These are potatoes, they look amazing. And then Kian went a bit mad on the beans, but hey, cool. I think that was a success. What do we think? Yeah.
What did you think of the breakfast, Mum?
The breakfast was lovely, really nice vegan stuff. Potatoes could have done a little bit longer.
The only part that I did.
But it was lovely, so yeah.
Cool.
A perfect success. No, right, Pops? That was good, wasn't it? Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little cooking video, and we'll see you next time.